times are different right now. A lot of us are at home teaching our children, and we can't say that that's something that's easy. In fact, we have been struggling, and I was really hoping to find something that would help me. And one day I just stumbled upon the Goodtimer, and I thought, why not? This has been the biggest blessing in our house. So it teaches children to use good behavior. It lights up 1 hour every day, and when you can set it between 8 to 12 hours, we set it to 8. And when it hits that final one, your child can push the button and collect a token. The tokens can be used for various rewards. It's up to you. My favorite part about the Goodtimer is being able to use it here in our classroom. And before, when she would get frustrated, she would take her emotions out on me, on herself, on her work, scribbling, just getting frustrated. And now she knows that when she gets frustrated, all she has to do is flip over the Goodtimer. She takes a big deep breath. And then when she feels like the frustration is over, she flips it back over and it starts counting again towards her hour. We absolutely love Goodtimer.